Want to control how often you receive notification alerts from AdPeekr? In this video, I'll show you how. First, go to your dashboard. On the left side, click on Profile and Settings. Here, you can see your full name, the email linked to your account, and the option to enable or disable email notifications. Just below that, you'll find notification frequency and time zone. Click on Notification Frequency. You will see three options. The first option is ASAP. When you select ASAP, you will receive a notification as soon as a new ad is posted by any of your subscribed brands. The second option is Daily. When you select Daily, a preferred time option will appear. Choose the time you would like to receive your notifications each day. You will then receive a daily summary of all new ads posted by your subscribed brands. The third option is Weekly. When you select Weekly, you will see options to choose your preferred day and preferred time. Select the day and time that work best for you. You will then receive a weekly summary of all new ads posted by your subscribed brands. Once you've selected your preferred notification frequency, click on Update, and you're all set. That's how easy it is to manage notification alerts in AdPeekr. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.